Hello everyone, this is Levi Wu. I know most of you stay at home during this time because of coronavirus. And home is comfortable, but security is basic one. So when it comes to smart home, and home security is the first demand. And here I'm strongly recommend this NVR kit, and which are completely different from the others on the market. And another critical point I would like to mention is the immediacy. So when the camera detects the risk of thief or a crime at home, you will get a push notification from the mobile app immediately. And the alarm system will be triggered also. So it feels like a barrier against the danger outside. And so that is the reason why I strongly recommend this NVR kits for your home, retail store, offices, and other small commercial business. So let's take a look at it.